Did you pay for parking? Not today because it's Sunday. Sunday free parking.
And Saturday.
And, oh, and Saturday too?
Yeah. That's good to know.
If you folks need a permit or to pay for when you get a approval for a space at like the district parks and to rent the room or something, you gotta come here and pay on the weekdays though, I think. Hi, aloha. This is August 11, I think. We're going to walk to the Iolani Palace, and this is from the public parking over here. Was it Alakea? No, wait, what's this street right here?
No, that's not Alakea.
So what is it?
Is it Alapai?
Alakai? Alapai? Alakai?
Alapai.
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 Alapai. Alapai and Beretania, yeah? And then the entrance is right there on the left side as you're coming down Beretania. Or if you're coming up Alapai, you make the left and it's look to the left and there's an entrance right there. It's the Hawaii Law Enforcement Memorial. Fallen police officers, yeah?
Yep.
Have plaques there. And that is the what do you call that thing? It's a portal.
I forgot.
Star or something, or no?
And I'm not gonna watch over there either.
I know. Well, I don't even think it says it over there. You gotta look online.
Oh. Well, look on your Google map.
Yeah, my hands are full right now. Sorry. Look at those. Morning. Hi.
They must have had a performance. They're walking away from the palace.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, maybe they were performing earlier.
Maybe.
They're leaving already.
Supposed to have Roy Sakuma ukulele studios
Oh,
too.
maybe that's what it was. Is it
No, why? I think. Yeah, it's probably a bunch of different things. Maybe they have the
Parents are like,
Kiki Hula.
okay, my job is done. I can go home.
I know. Some people are busy.
Either that or they went to church.
Oh, maybe it was the Kauai Hao.
Yeah. Maybe that's right. Today's Sunday.
Yeah.
Could have been church.
That's what those videos are though.
Let's go. Remember last time the back? Oh, what? Look where they're walking. Koi house over there. So
Yeah, so, oh, there must be from the palace then. You going back here?
let's. Can we go to the front? Because remember last
Okay,
time.
but we're gonna cross.
Last time the gate in the back was closed.
Oh, that's not changed. Look.
Oh, change already. This is Punch Bowl Street on our left. Famous street. With Queens Medical Center back that way. And then all the courthouses. The city. The library right here. You get the district and the federal courthouses, yeah. And then you have oh, well, you get your birth certificate reprints and stuff, and marriage stuff, yeah. But that's, I think, further up that way, back by the Queens Medical Center. Famous. Patsy Mink statue right there. Oh, and then Honolulu Hawaii on our left across Punch Bowl, yeah? Right there. I don't know. That's why they do law stuff. Yeah. Patsy Mink. Hi, Patsy. Whew. This is the state library. You can get your passports in here too, yeah? Open your passports. Yeah.
Oh, is it closing the gate? Oh. Oh, in the car.
I think we can go in the side entrance.
Yeah.
Let's go in the front, huh? It's Iolani Palace. You gotta see the front, right? Sorry, I'm insisting on going to the front. Wow, I'm so happy we drove down here.
Me too. Oh,
Life is a little bit
if you had
better.
said it in the beginning, I think I'd been more willing to go. I would have been more ready.
It's okay. I wasn't that ready. I didn't know what to bring for filming. I still don't know what to bring for filming. It's not a good day for everybody, I guess. Or something. So that was the burial. There's I think there's some people buried there still. Royalty. Like's mother, they moved her, yeah, from there. They removed her. Or they wouldn't let her be buried over there or something. see this license plate? It says Ahsoka. Ahsoka. The Star Wars Jedi. That's her name, Ahsoka. And that's where Steve McGarrett then worked across there. Yeah, hun. Yeah? Yeah, you know. I have no idea what the schedule is. I just know John and them are going around 12-ish. Fine. Iolani Palace. I doubt it. I don't think it's been like this all the time. I don't think they have large crowds. Remember the first one we went to?
Yeah.
It was like the same. No, it's not.
Kids over there, I thought they were like wanting to get
Yeah, I'd be standing over there at least.
How's
that?
Ask a quick question. Local?
Yeah, 96826.
Perfect.
Okay.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Where you going?
This way. We're gonna walk it. That's what they asked last time I zip code. He's very like, oh, okay, or yeah, I guess you are then. I wasn't gonna ask that, but here, you and me. I'm getting the whole thing.
Wait, okay.
Don't forget to like and
My
subscribe to PhotoLukeHawaii and Cheryl's hair.
There's they're different ones. But there's some kids up there.
So right, Sakuma. Ukulele.
That is voice of Kuma.
Yeah.
You're getting old, yeah.
Yeah. I don't remember him being young though.
Oh, the rest are on the ground. Oh, he doesn't have a full big wig like the one he had at the zoo.
Hmm.
They brought over 20 students. Wow! And if you brought your own ukulele and you want to jam along with Roy Sakuma Studio, you're more than welcome, okay? Alright, we got some prizes we're going to give away. Courtesy of Uncle Roy Sakuma and his beautiful wife Kathy. We want to say mahalo to Erin Yamada. Thank you for putting together all of our entertainment today. Thank you, Erin. That's Paula Akana's BFF. So every second Sunday of the month, we have our Kama'aina Sunday workshops, activities, food trucks, entertainment galore. So we need your folks kokua. Therefore, please sign our Kama'aina Sunday, take our survey,